A digital kit for the action taker in training. You don't have to be born an action taker to become one. If you want to start an online business, but find yourself stuck over planning, hesitating, or waiting until you feel ready, this video is for you. In this video, we talk about why taking action isn't a personality trait, it's a skill you can train. Most people don't struggle because they lack ambition. They struggle because they don't know how to move forward when they feel tired, scared, or unsure. This message is especially helpful for online business beginners who want to build momentum but feel blocked by fear, self-doubt, or inconsistency. You'll hear why action doesn't require confidence first and how movement actually creates confidence over time. You don't need to eliminate fear or wait for perfect clarity. You need a simple way to practice taking action in small, repeatable steps until it becomes natural. The power of taking action is a practical digital product designed to help you train that action-taking muscle. With step-by-step tasks and clear lessons, it shows you how to move forward, even on low-energy days. It's also especially helpful if you're using resale rights digital kits to build your business without starting from scratch.